The keel bolts we need to replace are under the water tanks, in the bilge, deep, dark, dank, and rank. In order to access this area and rebuild it, we will have to disassemble and remove most of the aft cabin interior. Most of the cabinetry and joinery work in the aft cabin is teak and is original. It is very important to carefully and systematically remove the interior so that it can be reassembled and put back into place. We have done this many times before. Before taking anything apart, we take lots of photographs and take measurements of the location of everything. You need to be very thorough when doing this. We have never taken too many pictures. One of the little tricks we use when removing stubborn fasteners that have been in there for decades is to heat them up using a worn taper bit and a high-speed drill. You need to apply just a light feed pressure so that the friction carries the heat down the length of the screw. This takes a little while. The fastener should become hot enough to smoke, but not so hot that it darkens the wood. Sometimes the fastener will gall onto the taper bit and start spinning, and you should be able to just pull it out. We have had amazing success using this technique. And don't throw those dull taper bits away. They work fantastic for this application. We have a lot more tips and tricks to share with our viewers. So don't forget to subscribe, and if you can, make a donation.